Your kids can stay connected across the entire playground while you watch from 500 meters away. No more shouting or losing track of them during outdoor activities. These rechargeable walkie-talkies from Kids Playhouse Company work indoors, in suburbs, even on hills. The privacy codes keep conversations secure from strangers. Simple 5-button design means your 3-year-old can use them independently. Perfect for birthday parties, camping trips, or just backyard adventures. Grab your child two-way radio from Kids Playhouse Company and stay connected.